Hello everyone, this is me Zain, and first of all, Happy New Year. And this is 2026, and you know that it's been a lot of months already passed out, and I haven't created any sketchware videos. I thought it would be great to stop because there are a lot of people around the YouTube. You can find different type of sketchware pro tutorials there. So I thought it's not needed for me anymore to create or continue the sketchware, but recently I just created one application. This is a simple app. You can use this app to publish on Google Play Console, because you can see that recent days people are wants to purchase sell those Play Console account. But the problem is when you want to create one application, also to provide that application to the Play Console, you get lot of problems in the app review, because Play Store has some strict policy. They will either decline all the policies like app itself. So you can easily implement or download this source code. Is actually on my Telegram, and you can also download it on SketchHub. The swb file you can put on sketchware, and you can uh, just upload it on your Play Console. I can also provide you the AAB file with you can create your customized release key. So for this video, I'm giving you the overlook of the application, that why Play Store did not um, uh, just cancel this app, or why Play Console thinks that this app is completely genuine for any purpose. So you can see the application. I use the recycle view and then new kind of all widgets, and you can also see the animations and the UI UX. The movements or transitions are quite smooth, and you can also find these are simple list view, nothing much more. And I have also create this glass type of effect using the custom text shader and custom map. And here from the popular you can find popular or top 10 anything. When you click on any of these, you can either go to simply favorite, you can copy that. Even you can also move like that left right to just move the codes. Even you can save it directly to the gallery, and it will create one folder to the storage, and the current bitmap image will set to bitmap and save it. Even you can share with your any person with online if you want to. And there are a lot of things, like this is the category option, so you can find different type of categories of the codes. Basically this is a overall quote application. You can easily search anything like that. Even the search is working because I have implemented the code once. I created array list map, then I implemented code wise, not use any blocks. So it's really fantastic, and you can even integrate this type of things. So overall this application is suitable for your Play Console, and you can get approved easily, and you can do whatever with your console. You know what I mean to. But this is the code application. You can download that. It's completely offline. It to the Android external storage if user wants to save the image externally, but it depends on the user. So you can also provide some privacy policy with this application. Like this privacy policy, you can find the storage permission you used, because it depends on the personal usage. So it does not take like you have to do that or not. Okay, it does not ask like that. Okay, so this is the application. It's really suitable. It's completely offline. It does not store anything, and it does not have any Firebase authentication. It's completely offline, so it help you to get the things. But I prefer you change the name, logo, and others externals inside like graphics, so you can understand that you need to understand that Play Console checks everything and run the application for the status. So make sure you get that thing. So if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe this channel. I try to create more videos in the future if it is possible for me and possible for you to also watch. You can stay with this channel, you can subscribe, you can stay with this channel, you can share. And basically I proposed one notification on my Telegram. You can join the Telegram, link in description. That I work on, I'm working on one social media application, but for there's some problem occurred, so I stopped working on that. I was stopped working on that, but I think that I maybe start again. So stick with this channel. Okay, subscribe. Thank you.